AI is evolving at warp speed, but so are its potential pitfalls, ethical dilemmas, privacy breaches, and regulatory nightmares. Who's on the front lines tackling these complex issues every single day? Today, we're diving deep into the real-world challenges faced by AI governance professionals and the practical strategies they use to navigate the Wild West of AI ethics and compliance. First, let's clear up some misconceptions. AI governance professionals don't just talk about ethics. They oversee the entire lifecycle of AI systems, ensuring responsible development and deployment. Since 2023, this role has grown incredibly fast, becoming central to organizations deploying advanced AI models. Real-world example: a global bank recently paused the rollout of an AI loan approval system after the governance team found that the model disadvantaged certain neighborhoods. Instead of shipping the feature as is, they collaborated with data scientists to redesign the model's fairness constraints, preventing discriminatory outcomes before customers were affected. From mitigating bias to translating complex regulations, AI governance is about proactive problem-solving in real-world scenarios. AI regulations are constantly changing. The EU AI Act, US executive orders, and other frameworks create a dynamic, sometimes confusing environment. AI governance professionals act as translators, turning legal jargon into actionable steps for engineers and product teams. Real-world example: when the EU AI Act introduced stricter transparency requirements, a major consumer tech company had to rethink its recommendation engine. The governance team led a 2-week sprint, creating new model documentation, user disclosures, and audit logs, allowing the product to continue operating legally in the EU without disruption. Next, let's talk about data. Algorithmic bias isn't just a metric. It can have real-world consequences. AI governance professionals rigorously audit massive datasets, balancing innovation with user privacy, especially when working with generative AI models. Real-world example: in a healthcare startup, a generative AI triage assistant began giving subtly different advice depending on how patients described their symptoms. The governance team traced the issue back to underrepresented dialects in the training dataset and worked with linguistic experts to diversify the data, improving accuracy for thousands of users. Tools like ethical AI frameworks and privacy impact assessments ensure that data is handled responsibly, protecting users and the organization alike. AI governance isn't just technical. It's also about people. Professionals often navigate conflicting priorities between legal, engineering, and business teams. Their challenge: communicating complex ethical risks in ways non-technical stakeholders can understand, and de-escalating dilemmas when new AI features clash with company values. Real-world example: a retail company wanted to use facial recognition for loss prevention, but the governance team raised serious concerns about privacy and potential profiling. After several cross-team workshops, they helped executives pivot to a less invasive computer vision solution, maintaining security without compromising customer trust. Finally, if you're thinking of joining this field, preparation is key. Essential skills include regulatory knowledge, risk management, and advanced AI literacy. Certifications like the AIGP provide a roadmap to stay ahead. Proactive risk identification and building resilient governance frameworks will make you invaluable in any organization. AI governance professionals are the unsung heroes of the AI revolution. By bridging the gap between ethics, law, and technology, they ensure AI innovations are safe, fair, and responsible. Whether you're starting your career or looking to advance, mastering AI governance is an investment in the future.